Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I've got you this really bold, vampy lip winter makeup look. The weather has gotten colder and chilly these days and I was really feeling for a winter makeup look. So this is what I came up with. I also posted a story on my Instagram for this look and a lot of you guys loved it. So yeah, I also filmed it exclusively for YouTube. And here is the makeup tutorial. If you want to know how I got this beautiful and bold makeup look, then please do continue watching. So starting off with a bare face, I'm gonna prep and prime my skin first, for which I'm using the Mars God's Glow Primer. So this is like a serum-y moisturizing primer sort of. So I'm just applying a little bit of that primer on the main areas of my face and blending it out. It's a very dewy kind of a product. So if you have a drier skin type, you would really enjoy it. And I also like to use it during the winter season. So yeah, this is how it is. So I'm just gonna let it absorb into the skin for a while and fill in my eyebrows in the meantime, for which I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow kit and picking up the dark brown shade and first combing through my eyebrows using this spoolie and then start filling up any gaps and give my eyebrows a nice shape. Once I'm happy with that, I'm just gonna brush through my eyebrows using the same spoolie brush. I'm going to lay out a base for my eyeshadow work, for which I'm taking the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Honey Drop and apply it on the eyelids and blend it out using my favorite PAC 219 brush. Once that is done, I'm also gonna set the concealer in place with a little bit of loose powder as well. For eyeshadow, it's gonna be super simple but impactful. This is the Nykaa eyeshadow quad in a smoky variant. I'll put the exact shade name in the description box. So I took that sort of like a dark brownish color, which is matte, and applying that very close to my upper lash line and keeping it under the crease area, because this is going to be a little bit of a smoky eye look. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to take this peachy salmon color to blend out the edges of the previous dark brown on the crease. Again, it's matte. So I'm just going to keep blending until the eyeshadow is well blended on the crease area. Next, I'm going to take the matte black from the same palette on a smudger brush and just smudging that eyeshadow very close to my upper lash line, sort of creating a smoky liner effect. For foundation, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Liquid Foundation in the shade Amber, and just going to take a little bit of that on the back of my hand and start from the center of my face and move towards the perimeters. It's a beautiful foundation for all skin types and for all seasons, in my opinion. And just applying that wherever I want some coverage, also on the ear and my neck as well. Again, using the same PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Honey Drop to highlight and conceal the under eyes, the center of my face, and the cupid's bow and chin, and start blending it out using the same PAC 219 brush. It's a very beautiful concealer, by the way, and again, this is perfect for any season. Once I'm happy with the base, I'm going to set everything using the MAC Translucent Loose Powder in the shade Medium Dark and apply that on the under eyes to bake, as well as on the T-zone and around the mouth area. It's a beautiful powder, very soft and velvety on the skin. It's not powdery at all, so even if you have a drier skin type, you would love it, and it's perfect for winters again. Next, I'm going to take the brown shade again on a flat brush and apply that to my lower lash line, just to define my lower lash line as well. After the application of the eyeshadow, I'm going to smudge it out very gently using the same brush that I used to apply that on the upper eyelids. I'm also going to apply a little bit of compact, which is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Compact Powder in the shade Medium. It's a beautiful, velvety, smooth powder. Again, has a lot of coverage too, and it works amazingly well on my oily skin type. So I'm just applying that on the rest of the face wherever I did not apply the loose powder previously. For liquid liner, I'm using this pen eyeliner from Sugar Pop. It's a very affordable and good quality felt tip eyeliner. So I'm going to create a wing eyeliner on both my eyes. So starting from the wing part and then moving slowly towards the inner corners of the eyes. And I'm going to take my time and create my winged eyeliner because you have to be extremely careful when you draw out your eyeliner. So yeah, that's what I did. And also because you have that smoky base underneath, it's gonna add a lot of depth to your eyeliner. Then for mascara, I'm using one of my favorite mascaras, which is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes. It's a tubing mascara, so it's very easy when you remove it using water, and it doesn't come off when come in contact with water that easily. For example, in a monsoon weather. To bronze up my skin, I'm using the Lasting Radiance bronzer from Rimmel in a very dark shade. Applying that on the hollows of the cheeks, on the perimeter of my forehead, on my jawline, under my chin, and also on the sides of the nose and under my lower lip. For blusher, I'm using a gorgeous blusher. You guys must have seen this in my blush collection video. I'll put it on the card right up on the screen. This is the shade Burnt Amber. And burnt pepper, and just putting that on the apples of the cheeks like so and sculpting my cheeks a little bit. Also, I'm gonna run the blush across my face like that for that sun-kissed wintry effect and feel. So yeah. For highlight, I'm using the e.l.f. 24K Gold Highlighter, and it's a very beautiful pale gold shade, perfect for the winter season, and applying that to the tops of the cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose, the tip of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, and also on the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. I'm using a pale gold shade because it's winter, so a pale gold looks amazing for this season. For lip liner, I'm using the Miss Claire lip liner in a very dark shade. I'll put the exact shade name in the description once again, but it's a very beautiful lip liner color for dusky skin tones. It's almost like a smoky dark brown color. I'm slightly overdrawing my lips before I apply my lipstick, and also filling in my lips using the same lip liner as well as a base for my lipstick. Now comes the showstopper of this look, which is the bold vampy lip color. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Dynamic Purple. What a gorgeous color for my dusky beauties. It's a dark smoky purple color with a hint of burgundy to it. So yeah, I'm just applying that on my entire lip slowly and gently. When you apply such kind of dark lipsticks, be careful with the lipstick application. So that it looks very clean and perfect. So yeah, that's the lip color on and looks amazing on my skin tone. I also added these falsies from Swiss Beauty off camera. This is in the variant Prowl, and yeah. Finally, to set everything in place, I'm using the Mars Seal the Deal setting spray and giving it a quick shake and spraying my entire makeup in place. And here is the final finished bold winter makeup look. It honestly gives out a lot of 90s vibes in my opinion with this kind of a outfit and the vibe of the makeup. So let me know what you guys think about this particular makeup look in the comments section. I absolutely loved creating this makeup look. All the products that I used to create this makeup look will be listed in the description box as usual. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram for some fun content there as well. I'll put the details in the description box. And this is it. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.